हेलो एस्पायरेंट, दिस इज राकेश और आप देख रहे हैं स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग प्रोग्रामिंग विद सी एंड सी प्लस प्लस। जो टुडे वी विल कवर द टॉपिक बेसिकली टोकन एक्सप्रेशंस एंड कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर्स। सो इन दिस टॉपिक्स विल बी इंक्लूड अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेटर, स्कोप रिजोल्यूशंस ऑपरेटर्स, मेंबर डिफरेंशियस ऑपरेटर्स एंड मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट ऑपरेटर along with the C++ manipulator and type cast operators, and includes type cast operators and their types and control structures. So let's start the MCQs first. So question number 1, in C++ we can give several meanings to an operator. Okay, give several meaning to an operator depending upon the type of argument used. Okay, so which was known as operator overloading. Basically now in C++ we can give several meanings to an operator depending upon the type of argument used, which was known as operator overloading. Now take a question number 2, which of the following are a pointer to member operator used in C++? Okay, pointer to member. So this is the, just look at this, this is the scope resolution operator, and this is a pointer to member, and this is the underscores and greater than pointer, and is a pointer. Okay, so basically which of the following is a pointer to member operator used in C++? So pointer to member, basically you will be see here pointer to member is options 3 and options 4. This is the pointer to member. Now what is basically pointer to member? So pointer to member allow you to refer a non-static member, okay, of a class object. Means that you cannot use pointer to member to point to a static class member, because the address of the static member is not associated with any other operator. Okay, so D, third and fourth will be the right answer of this. So now take a question number 3, which of the following is scope resolutions operator? Okay, scope resolutions operator. So first of all we know that what is a scope resolution operator. So which scope resolution operator can use qualify hidden name, okay, so that you can still use them, and you can use the unary scope operator if the name, escape scope or global scope name is hidden by the explicit declarations of the same name in a block or clause. Okay, so here is the scope resolution operator sign. So A, this sign is the scope resolution operator. Okay, A is the right answer. Now take a question number 4, what operator can be used to uncover a hidden variable? As I just explained the scope resolution operator, so scope resolution operator basically can be used to uncover a hidden variable. So C is the right answer. Now take a next question, question number 5. So question number 5, a major applications of the, okay, what operators is in the class to identify the class to which member functions belong? Pointer to member, memory release, scope resolutions, line fit, obviously scope resolutions. Okay, so scope resolutions, a major application of the scope resolutions operator is in the class to identify the class to which a member functions belong. Question number 6. So question number 6 is, what operator is used to access a member using a pointer to the object and a pointer to then member? Okay, object and member. So C, this is basically a operator used to access a member using a pointer to the object and a pointer to the member. Okay, this is not this, so this is, it is a scope resolutions operators. Okay, so C, this is a object and pointer of the members. Okay, now take a next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is, what operator is used to declare a pointer to a member of a class? Okay, Declare a pointer to a member of a class. So suppose that pointer to a member, the pointer to a member declared in the class is B. Okay, B. This is the basically operator is used to declare a pointer to a member of a class. Okay, pointer and member basically. Now take a next question. Question number 8. The what operator allocate sufficient memory to hold a data, object type, data type, and return the address of the object. So malicious, Kaloshi, new, and free. Okay, so basically new operator allocates sufficient memory to the holder data, object type data, and type the return and address of the object. So C is the right answers. Okay, now one thing, that malicious. What is malicious? Here they actually define the malicious, Kalosis. So now I'm just defining what is malicious. So malicious basically functions. Okay, it is a functions and it is used to allocated memory blocks. Okay, allocated memory blocks, and it's allocated a block of size byte of memory, returning a pointer to the beginning of the blocks. Okay, suppose that if size is equal to 0, so return value depend on the particular library implementation. Maybe it may be null or maybe it not. Okay, so this is basically a mal OC. So now take a next question. Question number 9. The expressions what will delete the entire array pointer to by P. Okay, so options are delete all P, delete array P, delete pointer P, and delete parenthesis P. Okay, so which will be? So D, delete bracket in P semicolons. Okay, D is the right answer. The expressions basically D will be the delete the entire array pointer to by P. Okay, now take a question number 10. So the what operator automatically return to the correct pointer type, so that there is no need to use typecast. There is no need to typecast and automatically return the correct pointer type. Okay, so options are new, delete, malloc, and setw. Obviously new, the new operator automatically return the correct pointer type, so that there is no need to be use a type. Because now take a new next question. Question number 11. So question number 11 basically the what manipulate is used in an output statement which cause a line feed to be inserted. Okay, setw, delete, indel, and symbol. So indel basically manipulated used to output statement which cause a line feed to be inserted. Okay, so question number 12. Which of the following is or a new cast operator used in C++? So constant cast, static cast, dynamic, and new cast. Okay, so basically you have to just look at very carefully. So which will be? So here new cast operator for const, cast, static, and dynamic. Okay, so first, second, and third basically it's a new cast operator we can use in C++. So go with the first, second, third. A is the right answer. Now take a next question. Question number 13. So what is an combination of operator? Okay, and is a combination of operator, constant, and variable arranged as per the rule of the language. Okay, combination of operators, constant, and variable arrangement as per the rule of the language. So token, expression, structure, and none. Okay, so which will be basically expressions, and expression is a combination of operator, constant, and variable arranged as per the rule of the language. We are using expressions, we just create expression section basically is the combination of operator, constant, and variables. and we can arrange in the form of the rules which is related to the language like a C, C++, Java, etc. So expression is a very important rules in the programming sections. Okay, now take out question number 14. Which of the following is the type of C++ expressions? Okay, constant expressions, integral expressions, float expressions, and null expressions. Is very tricky questions, so you have to be just read it very carefully which is. Okay, so constant expressions, integral expressions, and float expressions basically we have, but null expression there is nothing. So first, second, and third you go with the A. A is the right answer. Okay, now take a next question, question number 15. So question number 15 is what produce result of type bool which take value true or false. Okay, so relational expressions, float expressions, logical expressions, and bitwise expressions. Basically relational expressions and logical expressions both produce a boolean type result true and false, but some little bit different. Okay, so what is different? Basically different is a relational and logical operators. So relational operator can have any operand value and return boolean, while logical always have a boolean operand and return boolean. Okay, so here will be the relational expressions. Okay, produce result of type bool which take a value true or false. Now take a next question, question number 16. So what combine to the more relation expression and produce bool type result? Relation expressions, float expression, logical expressions, and bitwise. So obviously logical expression combine the more relation expressions and produce bool type results. Now take the next questions, question number 17. So the what is an entry and enroll loop? Entry enroll loop, and it used when an action to be repeated for predetermined number of times. Okay, basically you are using the loop command while, for, do, while, switch. So which basically conditions can be used in there? So entry enroll loop, and it used when an action to be repeated and predetermined number of the times. So obviously it is a for. The for is an entry enroll loop, and it is used when an action to be repeated for predetermined number of time, like a 1 to 10. Okay, number 1 to 100, reverse order, forward order, that you can be used for the help of for. So question number 18. The what is an exit enroll loop? Okay, this is the entry enroll loop, and that is the exit enroll loop where the control is transformed block from the particular point of the program. Okay, so obviously you know it, what is the exactly answer? Do while. Okay, the do while is the exit enroll loop where the control is transform blocks back to the particular point to the address. Okay, so do while, and for is the enter the enrollment, and do while is the exit enrollment. Now take a next questions. So question number 19. So the what is the multiple branching? Multiple branching statement where based on the condition the control is to transform one of many possible point. Okay, where the multiple branching statement. Okay, and based on the conditions match and control statement. So obviously this is the basically use on the switch type, like the switch and go on the particular that switch on, and otherwise go on the particular and this switch on, otherwise if not match that go on the switch off, and just display the specific result. So D basically switch. The switch is the multi-branching statement where based on the condition control is transformed to one of the many possible points. So D is the right answer. Okay, now take a question number 20. The operator is known as compound assignment and shorthand assignment operator. Okay, compound assignment and shorthand assignment, basically this is the this assignment we can say the plus equal to it is a shorthand, a compound assignment. Okay, so the operators, so option D is known as the compound assignment or shorthand assignment operator. So aspirant, I hope you enjoy my series. So please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and thanks for watching this videos.